What's good guys, it's Elise and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful hair that got sent to me from Sogoodhair. Included in the box was the hair, a pack of lashes, a comb, some clips and an extra elastic band and a weaving cap. So they sent me their Bodywavewig pre-made fake scalp 13x6 18-inch lace frontal wig. And what I mean by pre-made is that they sew on a wig cap onto the actual wig just so that it will appear more like a scalp. There was some extra lace at the back, so I went in and cut that off. And this wig comes pre-bleached, it comes with a pre-made fake scalp and it comes pre-plucked. No customization needed, boo. And sis, let me tell you, that parting space goes all the way back, so you can literally do any hairstyle with this wig. So I'm going to show you how much parting space there is and then we're going to jump right into this slay, okay? And if you was wondering why I was wearing a wig cap before I put the wig on, it's because I got to protect my edges. They're thinning out, so that's why your girl's got a wig cap on. But if you don't want to wear a wig cap underneath this, you can do so. You can just literally put this wig right on your head without wearing a wig cap. Alright, boom, so to install this wig, I'm going to go in with my Got To Be styling gel, the black one, and put that where I want to place the wig. And then I'm going to go in with my Got To Be glued freeze blast spray and put that on top of where I just placed the glue. And I've come to realise just by doing this, it just helps the wig to be more secure on your head. Then you're going to get your blow dryer and blow that dry until it's tacky. And when it's tacky, that's when you know it's ready. Gotta want to place your wig right into that glue. And what I like to do is brush the hairs into the glue. Alright guys, so I think you guys know how to lay a wig, so I'm going to leave you guys here and I'm going to leave you to watch the rest of this video. And if you enjoy watching this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.